Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for February 16 to 28, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Okay. Let's see Caps. Caps. What's up ngayong second half ng February? Best possible decision. O, ayan, yung mga nag-iisip-isip ng mga pagbabago sa buhay ninyo. Ayan. So, makakapag-decide na kayo finally. Minsan kasi ang hirap mag-decide, no? Lalo na kung it is something major na kailangan mong mag-let go. Nako. Wow! Oh, abundance. Abundance is coming, Capricorn. Alam ko gustong-gusto nyo to. You will receive blessings, abundance, flow of resources, income, new source of income, money, and then passion. Oh, okay. Alam nyo, Capricorn, if you will tap into your passion, yung passionate na career for you, passionate na relationship for you, this will bring abundance in your life. Let's say, pagdating sa relationship, piliin mo yung isang karelasyon na supportive sa ginagawa mo, supportive sa pangarap mo. Kumbaga pareho kayo may passion for success. Kasi pareho kayong magiging supportive sa isa't isa. And therefore, you will attract abundance. And then your overall energy is the Knight of Wands. Parang may gigil. O, yung iba sa inyo nang gigigil kayo na gawin ng isang bagay, na i-explore ang isang bagay na very much interested kayo. Some of you are willing to take the risk. Your challenge is the Seven of Cups. Ang ano lang dito talaga, challenging. Kapag masyado kang maraming option sa paligid mo, mahirap pumili. 'Diba? Maraming options eh. So, medyo distracted ka rito kung alin yung ipupurso mo, saan, para kasing ano eh, yung iba naninigurado. Sigurista, gusto nyo na yung mapipili ninyo, yun talaga yung best. Yun talaga yung dun ka magiging successful. So, why not choose what you are passionate about, because that is the best decision for you. 'Di ba? At kalimutan mo na yung hindi mo pinili. Kasi gugulo lang yan sa isip mo para masabi mo na what if ganito yung pinili ko, sana pala ganito. So, kung ano man yung pinili mo, panindigan mo. And make it abundant for you. Okay? Your opportunity is, the world. Wow. The world is achievement. You have the opportunity to achieve what you are dreaming of. Meron kang kakayanan na makamit, ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo. As long as you are willing to do the work. Your blessing is the Nine of Pentacles. Ang ganda ng blessing nyo, Capricorn. This is stability in your finances, financial freedom, liberation. Kung single ka, magandang opportunity for you na makapagpundar ng mga bagay na gusto mong maipundar para sa sarili mo, sa family mo. And ang blessing dito is hindi mo kailangan ng iba para maging successful, because you have the grit, you have the passion that you need. Okay? And then money, career, finances, you have the Five of Pentacles, you have the Ace of Swords, and the Two of Wands. Ayan. Some of you, Capricorn, might be struggling in your finances. Pwedeng may mga challenges. parang may lack, may kakulangan, no? With the Ace of Swords, you will be able to think of uh, yung sabihin ko decision eh. But makakaisip ka ng resolution or solution sa problema mo sa pera. With the Two of Wands, you have to be strategic sa actions na gagawin mo, na gamitin mo yung iyong utilize mo yung time mo, yung energy mo sa mas kapaki-pakinabang na bagay para mas maging madali sa'yo na makarecover sa financial struggle. Because that is your blessing, financial liberation. Yung iba kasi may financial loss. Oo. You have a decision to reconsider. So, Capricorn, maaring yung iba sa inyo naguguluhan sa pipiliin nyo na career path, trabaho, kung magbi-business ba kayo. Meron kang naging desisyon na maaring kailangan mong balikan ulit, isipin ulit kung tama ba yun. Kung sa ngayon, practical ba siyang gawin. Okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi pala yun yung best decision para sa'yo. Okay? And then, love life and family. The Tower. The Ten of Cups. And the Lovers. Okay, wow. Major Arcana. Yung iba sa inyo sa relationship ninyo, if you're connecting with someone, maaring para tong Romeo and Juliet yung energy na you love each other pero may mga taong hindi supportive sa relationship nyo. Ito yung tipong mahal nyo yung isa't isa pero hindi ka gusto ng family niya or hindi gusto ng family mo yung person mo. But, of course, love wins, no? Oo. Dito mo mapapatunayan kung gaano mo kamahal yung person mo. And vice versa. Kumbaga, against all odds yan eh. Kung kaya nyong ipaglaban yung bawat isa. Yung isa't isa. Oh, you are very passionate. Freedom. Past life. Oh, okay. Some of you maaring meron kayong past life connection or soulmate connection ng person mo, kaya talagang you feel fulfilled with this person. Yun nga lang, maaring meron mga tao na hindi gusto ang inyong relasyon. Ay, hindi naman sila ang kasama dyan, diba? Bakit hahayaan yung maapektuhan kayo? But of course, lalo na kung sa family, 'di ba? Mahirap din talaga yung ganung sitwasyon na hindi gusto ng pamilya yung karelasyon ng kanilang kapamilya. Kasi syempre, importante rin sa inyo yung family nyo. Importante rin sa kanya yung family niya. Parang nakakasad lang to. Kasi it seems that you really love each other. Meron lang talagang energy rito na gusto kayong paghiwalayin. So, doon makikita, masusubok yung lakas ng inyong relationship. You have Jupiter in the 8th house, Mars in 10th, Mercury in 12. Meron kayong kailangang pag-usapan na with someone na hindi ninyo pareho nasasabi yung gusto nyong sabihin sa isa't isa. Kasi parang tinatago nyo. And then, some of you, maaring merong ditong promotion sa trabaho. So, pwedeng ikaw ay mapopromote. Merong leadership role for you sa work. Don't run from the darkness, embrace your shadow side. What aspect of yourself have you been afraid to look at or address? Oh, ayan. Shadow work to, Capricorn. Minsan aware naman talaga tayo sa mga bagay na kailangan nating harapin pero iniiwasan natin. Kasi we don't like it. We don't want to deal with it. Or natatakot tayo sa magiging resulta. But it's time to embrace your shadow side. Ang importante is alam mo kung bakit ka ganon. 'Di ba? Yung shadow side natin is something na kailangan nating i-improve pa sa sarili natin. Na we can do better. So, ang importante may awareness. Kasi kung wala kang awareness, hindi mo yun maayos. Hindi mo may improve. Okay? So, some of you have the awareness na kailangan nyo i-improve sa sarili nyo. And you just have to do it para makakita kayo ng resulta. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.